DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Jambisco back in this banger video. And see what we are dealing with today. Yeah man, we there with Mr. One Buddha Chap himself. Mr. Darky, you know. Mr. Singer, you know. See, yeah, she love this singer. You don't know where I deal with today, man. Yeah, Mr. One Buddha Chap himself. Mr. Spiteful. Can you spite me the Ras album? Yeah man, me know I'm fine you out, man. Yeah man, we're there with none other than Kraff. You see me? Big up yourself, Kraff. You don't know I'm an artist already, dog. You see me? No hard feelings, me G, but drop your Ras project, brother. Tear man. Sure. Yeah man, we're there with Kraff. You see me? Drop the one here. 11-13 after I tell you so I get 11-11 and 11-12. 11-13 in drop the song here. Yeah man, me I talk pan you that. Me I tell the people them want to go on. Yeah man, they want to entitled Risk, dog, drop a video on them thing. Yo, me take a while for react to and feel like your dog that spite me. You see me? Me nah go around and hide and talk. You see me? That's why me take so long for do it. Me go do it the same day, you know. When I say, no, Kraff a girl on me, you know, dog. So since my girl on me, dog, me just go. Whole way a turn circle at this 360 degrees, bro. Your girl, me girl on too. Mary girl on me I deal with, bro. Tear man. But big up Kraff, like I said, dog drop Risk. I'm gonna check it out and see what dog I deal with. I'm a vex, because I want the album. So me vex. I mean, I care feelings, bro. I'm no business. Yeah, man. But I jump right in the track right now. It's a Kraff, Risk. Let's get it, yeah.
What can I say? What can I style is this one of them, man? No bumbo clout, a tree, dog, you man have enough.
Is that harder?
Everybody by level.
I buy one.
Oh, that them bite him. Bumbo clout, a tree of them dog kill. Hey, I'm by level.
Well, the dog, well, who kill off 3 of them dog, bro? Dog them bite. But so go buy 11. Buy 11 because you dog buy 3 dog and they bite all of them kill. How we that? It's mad, come here.
Daily piece of boy, man. What's that?
Who's that little young Kunoichi? I see you. Oh, with the kunai in hand. Who's this young little Kunoichi right here? Oh, he part of the Katsuki. Hey, what?
What's that?
I didn't vibes I'm like. I didn't vibes. This like when music I start. I didn't vibes I'm like feel, bro. You see me give that late night, that vibing alone. I'm on so many shit. Some, you know what I'm saying, bro? Like you walking late night in slow-mo type vibe. That's what I be picturing like you see it? This bad, come on. How would the bumbo clock? No, dog. No girl not fling a knife after me like that. No, I not play them game. I not play knife game. I not play police game. I not play gun game. I not. No, dog. You gotta try kill a brother. How the blood clot this? This look like Sarada, bro. Like blood. Bro, what did you do? Watch out. No, sir. No, dog, you do that girl or something. The girl want to kill her, bro. She want to decapitate your ass, nigga. What the f? Risk. I'm not taking no risk like that. I'm not taking no risk with no girl like that, bro. You see me not play them games with my life, bro. That you want to kill her on a risk that, brother. I stupidity that, my youth.
Choppy whips spray blacker than Kodak. How me hips stay dog I Kodak. Jimmy Choo for me body bad aroma. Make a Philly pussy wet with the water.
Dog, we blacker than Kodak. You see me? Check my waist, dog. At the Kodak. I want to hear. If you know, you fucking know. And if you don't know, hey, you need to grow. You see me? Straight like that, gang on the missus. So come on, let's get it. How I go?
For me body bad aroma. Make a Philly pussy wet with the water. Anatolia, press water.
Man say with black like Kodak. Check my waist. That the Kodak make a Philly pussy wet with the water. That's facts, bro. I call on you get you more pussy than a black Louis V belt can. Let me tell you that right now. Put you on game, nigga. If you just be made a race with a polar, pussy you no know that. Take risks for the dollar, chasing this. Let's see why I'm a vex with the dog. Their music ain't having a hold on pan youth. Man, you, me should do kill your blood.
Commas, ring, Panny banger. She see the Bensky, and swalla.
Ring, Panny banger, my youth. She see the Bensky and start swallow youth. Yo, come in, man. Kraff got talk to them. Tell them Kraff. Teach them Kraff.
Jambisco and swalla. Got a bitch up in the city, she be feeling for the traffic. Bitch up in my whip, she stop it, tapping in the traffic. Million on my wrist, it's not a rollie, it's a paddock.
In drop it. I hate this. Bro. You know blood clot long me wait for the tune ya. The man drop a sneak peek on IG, bro. You know long me wait for the tune. My youth, I don't know you release the thing, bro. Yo, listen to the thing, bro. Kraff and pattern pan this, bro. Come in, man. Talk.
Got a bitch up in the city, she be feeling for the traffic. Bitch up in my whip, she stop it, tapping in the traffic. Million on my wrist, it's not a rollie, it's a paddock. Glizzy with the switch, she wipe a nigga off the planet.
Glizzy with the wipe a nigga off the planet, youth. Dear. Come in. Kraff God, bro. You need the whole album, you know, bro.
On my wrist, it's not a rollie, it's a paddock. Glizzy with the switch, wipe a nigga off the planet. Stones up in my bezel line, talking about no granite. You see that Richard Mille dripping water, gotta have it. Fuck around the pesos and I shoot.
Stones up in the... This ain't no granite, bro. I want here, man. Richard Mille gotta... You know I gotta have it. I want to your bread. Hey, yo, this the lavish shit, bro. You feel me? Come on, bro.
Talking about no granite. You see that Richard Mille dripping water, gotta
have it.
Fuck around the pesos and I shoot away, hang it. Jump up on the Draco, he be singing like Rihanna. Nana.
Fuck with the pesos, bro. Now it's a shooter come at you, nigga. Eh? Fuck around with the pesos, the dollars, the cheese, the fettuccine, the green, the moolah. Man, you
pesos and I shoot away, hang it. Jump up on the Draco, he be singing like Rihanna. Nana. From my pussy talk, I did my see me nice. Shotty any ride, you better know me nice. For me take a sip, me have to put a pill in night. Never left me back, couple breaky night.
Come on, man. It's gonna be one of the best projects of the year. I'm telling you, bro. This is modern dancehall, bro. You feel me? I want to want to dance. This is man. The game is changing. I don't need to update. You see me? We don't need to update the thing. The game has changed. The style has to be the swag has to be the sound has changed, bro. We're not gonna live back in that time with the Bumbo Congo junk them. We're not gonna live with all of that, bro. Things have to change, bro. I want to man come in.
Blicky night, them think me like. Up every night. Take risks for the dollar.
Chasing dollars, bro. I want to your man stay clean for the. Hey!
Commas, ring, Panny banger. She see the Bensky and swalla.
Come on, bro. Ain't nobody doing it like Kraff, bro. You feel me? Kraff and Maliland got this generation locked up in a fucking chokehold. I'm telling you, bro. Kraff, if you do the right move, bro, you can lock up all the dancer. Man, I tell you, the guy with them feel like I run it right now. I know the guy if you run it. Man, I tell you. Come in. The guy there, the same guy there.
Drop your whip spray blacker than Kodak. How me hip stay dog, I Kodak.
Ooh, drop your whip spray blacker than Kodak. How me hip stay dog, I Kodak.
Jimmy Choo pa me body bad aroma. Make a feel pussy wet me the order. And I told
don't tell you now, put it on pan game in a dog. You see me make a feel pussy wet with the order. You see me? Just replay it order with the scent or pheromones. Or whatever you want. You see me I say, yeah man, we get them up on a blood Louis V, my youth, or a J's on your foot. Me I tell you.
yeah, press floater. Cause do something for me chest, you know I gold that. Rich. If you diss me, the rest with a pole, pussy you don't know that.
Me need to chat to the girl there. You see you with the knife there, me not gonna tolerate them behavior there. Not a pussy class. You look, yeah, you see if I me fling that off her? You see if I me fling that? I give you some years as you're deaf. Yeah, man. You can't fling no knife after me. I don't care how good me I fuck you. No fling no knife after me. You see me could be the best thing in your life. No fling no knife after me. You lose your mind. Yeah, girl will wear shoes like that, they can't trust them blood clot, you know. Look there. It's a wicked girl boot that man. Look on it. Nah, son, a girl can't trust girl wear shoes like them, man. Yeah, man, the girl wear shoes, they don't love themselves. Hello. And they think if you love you.
Swala, swala,
swala, swala. Blood, please, you know, one Kraff on them.
Let him cook. Let him cook now.
Let him cook. Let him cook now. Let that man cook. Let that man cook now. Come on. Let that man cook. Bumbucklet. To them. Yeah, man. Kraff. Risk. Yeah, man. Kraff, the biggest risk I take right now. I take so long to job. I have ramp with me. I tell me, say I drop the album, I take so long, bro. Man, put live reactions and them thing there. Live feedback. I whole live on the thing, brother. Bro, the biggest risk I take a play with Jambisco, you know, you could drop your music, you know. That me I tell you. Oh, I know, I go pretty. That me I tell you. Yeah, man, gang. So, nothing but one day. You see me, I say. That was Kraff, Risk. That was a vibe. Enjoy that one. You see me, I say. Been waiting for the man to drop a tune, dog. The man finally drop a tune, me G. You see me, I say. Expect a whole project. And this man can drop a little one deggy tune and say, yo. That's for whole week. Okay, you produce a whole project, bro. A whole album, my G. You see me, I say. You come with one little deggy. You see me, I say, man. Jaja. But yeah, man, a good tune still. You see me, big up yourself, though, dog. You see me? I guess that's the single off the album because he did preview this like it was gonna be one of the track listed on the project. Yeah, man, but he drop a little video. This is a single, you know what I'm saying? But bro, we need a date, bro. We need a real final date that you're gonna drop the shit, bro. You see me? I said the anticipation shit, the pushback shit. We don't like them things, there, bro. You just make people get vexed and uninterested. You see me? I say, yeah, man. If you drop the tune tonight, when you drop it, they get a bunch of views because people was actively waiting on that shit. Because I keep pushing at people that lose interest. Plus, war go on now. You see me? We don't get fucked, you know? Yeah, me I tell you, war go on and everybody pay attention to the war. But yeah, man. Don't know people. That was Kraff Risk. Let me know anything about the one there in the comment section. If you like, go show the artist on the one spot. Make no say Jambisco done. Say no. You see me? I say, yeah, man. Also, gang, join the Discord. You see me? Yeah, that mafia. We need to assemble and come together. Make sure you now watch a video them, bro. And like up a video them, bro. You see me? And subscribe. Help your boy out, bro. That's the biggest way to help me. It's free, bro. You ain't giving me no money. You ain't coming out your pocket. It's totally free, bro. So help your boy out. Like up a video them. Me don't want to see no video under 50 likes, under 100 likes, bro. Come on, y'all been doing great so far. So keep it up. Like up a video, subscribe. You already know. Get your boy to 5K, bro. Get your boy to 10K, bro. Come on, man. You already know what time it is. Till next time, gang. It's your boy Jambisco. Hit that, smash and bang. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.